Palestine infant and mother martyred by airstrike, Gaza. 6 martyred in Israeli airstrikes on Gaza Strip. Palestine call on UN to stop Israeli attack on Gaza. No plan to stop attacks on Gaza, Israeli military source. Palestinian faction vow retaliation to Israeli attacks. Palestine's Abbas condemns Israeli aggression on Gaza. Anadolu Agency office hit by Israeli forces in Gaza Strip. World condemns Israeli attack on Anadolu Agency office. Israeli jets target Turkish aid NGO in Gaza. Turkish president strongly condemns Israeli attack on AA office. Greek news agency condemns Israeli attack on AA office. Anadolu Agency Director General, attacks shall never daunt us.